Hi friends, good morning. This is Abhishek from TechVirus, and in this video I'm going to unbox and review the new juicer from Kuvings. This is a slow juicer, which is not like a normal traditional juicer which will grind the fruits and seeds together, which will make the juices sour. But this juicer is like pure juicing machine which will squeeze the fruit and only the pure juice will come out of this juicer. So the problem with that sour juicing and the seeds getting crashed inside will be going away with this juicer. Now, why did I choose this Kuvings juicer? Because I saw this was having the best rating on Amazon.in and lots of people have given very good reviews about this juicer. Now, in this video, I'll be showing you the unboxing of this product, how to assemble this product, and then the test of this juicer, like how is the juicing quality.
Alright, so let me quickly unbox the device and show you what all things are there inside. Alright, so after opening you will get these two small boxes inside and the main juicing machine, and then we have some pamphlets, some manuals, and this is a very nice juicing guide. It has got lots of recipes for different kind of juices. Then we have this how to uninstall and install the juicing machine. Now let me quickly show you what all things we get out of those two small boxes. So these are the juicing components and you can see the quality is really good. The plastic what they have used is of really high grade, and yes, all the components are very easy to assemble. Let me quickly show you how to assemble these. First one is like you have to fit this first jar, but you have to make sure that you close this lid, because if you don't close it, the juice and the seed or the pulp will mix together. So you have to close this thing first and then just keep it on top of this thing. It will go easily. You don't have to do any settings. And then this is the filter and the cover for it. So you just have to put it like this and you have to just keep it anywhere. You don't have to put in a specific design, but here you have to match these two red dots. So just keep it like this and there will be a click sound and it will be fit in front of these red dots. Now the third component is the main machine. So this is the compressor. So here you have to put it inside and then you have to just rotate it once. It will lock inside. Once it is locked, then you are ready to put the next component, that is the juicing container. So here you can see that this one has also a red dot. You have to just match the red dot and then click on the lock. So you have to twist it to lock and unlock. So here you can see this is open on the left hand side and we have close on the right hand side. So if you twist it, it will close, and then if you twist other side, it will open. So this is how it is very simple to install this juicing machine. And also let me tell you that this juicer is very easy to uninstall as well. I will show you at the end how to uninstall this juicer. Now here these are two containers which are designed very nicely to collect the juice and the pulp. Alright, now let me quickly get some vegetables and fruits and show you like how the juicing works in this juicer. So first is the vegetable juice, and here you can see I have cucumber, celery stick, mint leaves, beetroot and carrot, and we will be juicing these things. So for the first time, before using the juicer, just put some water so that it will clean all the things, like if during manufacturing if anything is left. So just put the water and it will drain out easily. And this is like just for the precaution. It's not mentioned in the guide or anywhere, so I've just done it like that. So just before juicing, let me quickly show you, there is a button on the right hand side which will help you to start the motor, and then it will also help you to reverse the motor in case like if any vegetable or fruit gets stuck. You can use the reverse button to clear the congestion. Alright, so now let me put some carrots inside and then turn on the machine. Here you can see that on the first container we are getting the juice, and the other container the pulp is getting collected. So it is separate and the seeds are also not getting crushed. So in this case there are no seed, but it will help more in the fruits. But you see the quality of the juice is like pure juice. It's not like after grinding there will be some kind of water left inside the juice, and if you leave the juice for some time there will be a separation. The juice will be on top and water will be on the bottom, so those things will not happen here. And the juicing quality or the juice what you get out of this is very good. You will like it. And you can see that how quiet this motor is. You will not hear the noise of the motor only the noise of the crushing or the grinding or the squeezing of the fruits you can hear, but yes, the motor is very quiet and the speed is slow, and that's actually helped to get the juice properly. If the speed is high, it will not squeeze all the juice out of a fruit or vegetable. So that's how we are able to juice it properly. Even the celery stick, which is very small leaf, even the mint leaves, it's actually helping to extract the juice from those leaves as well. So now we are done with the juicing. Let me pour this in a glass and show you like how much quantity we got. So you saw that in the plate we had that much of vegetable, and we are getting approximately 2 glasses of juice, and this is really thick juice. It's like not watery juice. There is no water mixed in, so it's completely vegetable juice. Alright, so this is for vegetable. Now let me quickly go with the fruits. So here you can see that we have apple, pomegranate and some oranges. So we have to cut these fruits apart, and if you have a small apples or a small orange, you don't have to cut. The whole fruit can go inside directly. So the apple here is the larger size, so I have to cut it, and orange is small. I can just directly pour into the juicer, and then I'll turn on the juicer and I will put all these things inside the juicing machine. So you can see that how easily this is juicing. Like on the right hand side you're getting all the pulp, and left hand side we are getting all the juice. And I will show you the pulp as well, how the squeezing happens, how dry is the pulp. So let me put some pomegranate here, and yes, the pomegranate also squeezes a lot, like it gives you good amount of juice from the pomegranate as well. And apple, yes, apple also it squeezes properly. So now you can see that this is the juice, and from that many fruits which I had in the plate, I got this much of juice. Let me pour into the glass, and you can try this recipe, pomegranate, apple, orange. It is like very good combination and it tastes really good, so that you can try. On the left hand side, let me show you the pulp as well. And with my initial impression, I can say that the pulp is not that much dry. Still some amount of juice is left inside the pulp, maybe because it is using a plastic squeezer, not the metal squeezer. So maybe that was the maximum capacity it can squeeze the juice out of it. But yeah, that will help you in like not crushing the seeds. If it squeezes much, the seeds will be also squeezed. Anyways, yes, there are some juices which are left in this pulp, but still the juice what you get is very tasty. Now let me quickly show you how you can clean this juicer, and the cleaning part is also very easy. It doesn't take much time, and you will understand like how easy it is compared to the traditional juicer. First step is just lift this part of the juicer and take it to the sink. The first thing, you have to just take out the top, and then we have to remove this second component, and then we have to just twist it and just keep the other one. Then we have the filter, and then filter cover, and this base jar. So you have to just open the running water and just try to put some pressure of water and use your hand, and it will easily clean all the components. So first component is little tough. You have to just take out all the pulp which is stuck in the base. There will be some small particles will be stuck, so you have to put some pressure and use some knife or something to take it out. So that's the only part which is difficult. But this one, filter, is very easy. You have to just put this brush, then twist it left and right, and within 5 to 10 seconds everything will be clean. There will be no pulp or no fiber which will be stuck to this filter. So here you can see how nicely it has cleaned. So you can see there is nothing left. Now for this squeezer, it's very easy and it's very smooth. Like you just have to put water and it just cleans up. And for this container as well, you have to just put the water and it cleans up. Now for this one as well, you have to just clean it and it cleans up. So you can see that how easily we cleaned the entire juicer within 2 minutes of time. Now after cleaning, you can keep it for some time to let it dry, and then you can easily assemble it as we did in the first time. See, just put the base, then put the filter, then put the cover, and then put the top one and put the final component. Alright, to summarize now, I would say that this Kuvings B1700 juicer is one of the best slow juicer what I've come across at this price range. And if you're looking for any slow juicer, please go ahead with B1700. And if you want to buy this juicer, please use the link below and click on that. It will help me as well, and it will give you the right product. And at the last, I would like to thank you for watching this video and giving your precious time. If you liked this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and stay safe, stay home, have a nice day, bye bye.